For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US President Donald Trump has hailed the dawn of a new Middle East amid Israel's landmark deals with the United Arab Emirates and Bahrain. Trump spoke as the two Gulf states signed agreements fully normalizing their relations with Israel. The president pointed out that these were the only two peace deals between Israel and the Arab states in more than a quarter of a century. The normalization of ties between the three nations through what has been dubbed the Abraham Accord has been widely hailed as a symbolic victory. Trump hopes other countries will follow suit, but the Palestinians have urged them not to while their conflict remains unresolved. For decades, most Arab states have boycotted Israel, insisting they would only establish ties after Israel's dispute with the Palestinians was settled. After decades of division and conflict, we mark the dawn of a new Middle East. This is peace in the Middle East without blood all over the sand. It's been blood all over the sand for decades and decades and decades. That's all they do, is they fight and kill people and nobody gets anything. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu welcomed the deals. This day is a pivot of history. It heralds a new dawn of peace. Peace, security and stability will not be achieved in the region until the Israeli occupation ends. But Palestinian leader Mahmoud Abbas said only an Israeli withdrawal from occupied territories could bring peace to the Middle East. Peace, security and stability will not be achieved in the region until the Israeli occupation ends. The Israeli army said that 2 rockets were fired from the Gaza Strip into Israel while the ceremony was underway. All eyes will be on whether other countries in the region follow suit, above all Saudi Arabia. However, so far the Saudis have signaled that they are not ready for any deals. Iranian leader Ali Khamenei has called the deal a betrayal of Palestinians and predicted it would not last long. Hamas spokesperson Hazem Qasim said the agreements were not worth the ink with which they were written. The Gulf states are just the 3rd and 4th Arab countries to recognize Israel since its founding in 1948. Before the UAE and Bahrain, the only other Arab countries in the Middle East to recognize Israel officially were Egypt and Jordan, who signed peace treaties in 1978 and 1994 respectively. These agreements represent the most significant diplomatic achievement of the Trump administration. Persuading 2 Arab states to engage in this kind of rapprochement with Israel without a solution to the Palestinian question marks a significant move for pan-Arab unity.